want to answer a question that I get asked many times, and it's, what is this? This is an electric spray wand. It works through USB charging, and so once it's charged, it's completely wireless and you can take it anywhere. And the way that it works is it has this very long hose. It's about 6 feet long, and I have it in my 5-gallon jug. The way that it works is that it has this siphoned type of filter that you dunk into the water, and it sucks it up through the hose and it sprays it out through these nozzles. And so when you purchase the wand, it comes with 3 different nozzles. This one's my favorite one because you can change it into 2 different forms. You can do a misting form like this, or you can do a long streak type of flow like that. And so all you have to do is press this button on and off, and it will turn it on and turn it off whenever you need to. It also extends very long, so you can reach higher places like this. And all you have to do is just move this thingy down and then tighten it. But I keep mine very short because I don't have too many higher reaching places in the greenhouse at the moment. And so yeah, that's how it works. It's an amazing wand. It has cut my watering time in half. Has literally changed the watering game for me. It has been the best investment. I now have 2 of them, one in the greenhouse and one inside of my house for the green room, and it is life-changing. So you can find it in my Amazon link. If you want me to send you the link, just DM me and I can send you the link directly.